Welcome back to Auto MVP, your go-to spot for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 GMC Savana 3500. This van has built its reputation on durability and strength, and in 2025, GMC keeps that legacy rolling forward with a few updates that make it even more of a workhorse for businesses and utility seekers alike. Let's kick things off with the exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Savana 3500 keeps its traditional boxy silhouette, and that's exactly what its target users want. This design remains ideal for maximizing interior cargo space while maintaining a rugged, functional aesthetic. The front fascia features a slightly refreshed grille with a bolder chrome finish and more pronounced GMC badging. The headlights are still halogen, although higher trims now come with optional LED enhancements. Practicality remains key. Steel wheels are standard, but alloy options are available. And yes, the side and rear cargo doors offer wide, accessible entry, which is perfect for loading equipment, tools, or goods. The rear bumper also has integrated steps, which makes it easier to get in and out of the cargo area. The Savana 3500 is still one of the few full-size vans offering multiple wheelbase options, and that means more flexibility for businesses. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Savana 3500 comes with a few engine choices. The base model features a 4.3-liter V6 that delivers around 276 horsepower and 298 pound-feet of torque, but the real muscle comes from the available 6.6-liter V8, which produces an impressive 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. That engine is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, which isn't cutting-edge, but it's proven and reliable. Rear-wheel drive remains standard, though an all-wheel drive version is not offered, which may be a downside for some northern or off-road users. When it comes to towing and payload, the Savana 3500 doesn't disappoint. Towing capacity reaches up to 10,000 pounds depending on configuration, and payload is just as strong, easily handling over 4,000 pounds. That makes it a serious tool for commercial hauling. On the road, the van is solid but not fancy. Steering is predictable, and the ride quality is decent for a heavy-duty van, though don't expect the comfort of a crossover. Now, let's peek quickly inside. The interior is exactly what you'd expect from a commercial-focused van, basic but functional. You get standard vinyl seats, with cloth optional. The dashboard layout remains simple, featuring easy-to-use controls and a 7-inch infotainment screen on higher trims with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's ample visibility up front, and seating is surprisingly comfortable over long drives. Storage compartments are abundant, and optional bulkheads and shelving packages are available.